If you have oats and chickpeas at home, then make these delicious vegan, gluten-free, egg-free, and high-protein vegan pancakes. They're so easy to make. Let's start with opening and rinsing a can of chickpeas. Now we're going to toss the chickpeas into the blender, or well, at least we're gonna try. By the way, did you know chickpeas contain iron and magnesium? And now add the oats. Oats are also incredibly healthy as they contain iron, magnesium, and zinc. Now we're adding SUPPLEAM Premium Vegan Protein Powder, 7 grams of powdered cacao, and we've soaked a few dates in hot water so they're easier to peel, and the dates will help bind the pancakes and give a natural sweetness. And look at these ingredients. Can you believe these healthy ingredients will turn into delicious pancakes? We're going to add water now, but you can also use unsweetened almond milk or oat milk if you want. Just keep in mind that this will change the nutritional value of this recipe. Start blending and start with short pulses to make sure your blender can handle all the ingredients, and keep blending until you get this super smooth batter consistency. Heat a pan on medium heat, and to the pan we'll add some cooking spray, or you can use some oil and evenly spread it out with a paper towel or a kitchen brush. Per pancake you'll use about a half a cup of batter, and the only thing you'll need now is patience. You need to wait until you see tiny little air holes forming on top of your pancake before flipping it. And after flipping it, you'll need a little bit more patience to make sure the pancakes bakes all the way through. Fortunately, our pan was big enough to bake 2 pancakes at the same time because my husband was so hungry at this point. I really think the worst thing about making pancakes is waiting for them to be done. And when you're hungry, it gets worse, you get messy, then this starts to happen. But it's definitely worth the wait, guys. Just trust me, these pancakes are super healthy and delicious, and they will turn out great if you have enough patience, if you have a little bit of patience. Now for the protein icing. It's a super easy 2-ingredient vegan protein icing, and all you need to do is whisk plant yogurt, any type of plant yogurt. We used unsweetened soy yogurt and vegan protein powder, and we used the flavor chai latte, and it turned out so good. Look how smooth it is. And now it's finally time to start stacking these pancakes, and you can choose to create 1 big portion or 2 medium portions. My husband created 1 big portion but ate half before his workout and the other half after his workout, and this way he distributed the 90 grams of vegan protein. He also added a banana and some nut butter without any peanuts. My husband loved these healthy vegan protein pancakes so much, especially since they were so easy to make. He doesn't like complicated recipes at all. He doesn't like cooking, so these were great. They turned out delicious, and they fit perfectly within his muscle building diet. And speaking of which, if you want to see how Niels tried eating more than 200 grams of vegan protein as a non-vegan, then go ahead and click on the screen to get to this video in which he shares a full day of vegan eating.